Have you ever faced this problem while using Pyradiomics library? Well, it's very easy to solve it. First, I read an image and its label. Here, I create a feature extractor and use it for extracting radiomic features. But something is wrong. In order to find out what is the problem, let's check the origin of our image and label. As you can see, they are different and this has caused the problem. So we need to change the origin of our label to match that of our image. Now let's run this cell again. Great, it's working. Let's check the results. If you found this video useful, please press like, and if you have any questions, just ask me. Thank you.